This 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x264 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Skylight, Awning, leveling jacks, LP detector, spare tire kit, external shower, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, oven, water heater, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x264 RLS is 9,735 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.